Does it ever happen to you that at home and also at work, but especially at home, there's a huge amount of communication problems, differences, and conflicts? I don't know, like shouting, lack of respect, and so on. There comes a point where you just don't know which way to turn. It's extremely important to clean the house to clear it of bad energies. We've given you many tips, many recipes, both the ones I give you and from our feng shui expert. And it's very important to keep in mind that when we vibrate at the highest vibration, which is love, everything flows in harmony. There's love, peace, smiles, spirit, joy, and happiness. And maybe one of the household members is super cool, but with just one or two who are toxic, just one can ruin it. And abundance, prosperity, joy, and happiness just won't happen. It's suggested that this recipe be done every Saturday morning. Beforehand, you can sweep, clean, and dust your house, as I've always told you, from the back to the front so that everything blocked can leave. Did you also know that negative energies stay on the walls, in the curtains, blinds, and everything else? That's why it's important to have incense burning, use bells, singing bowls, light candles. Because all of that, having plants, all of that helps us so that the negative energies we cause ourselves through shouting, conflicts, differences, and so on, what does that do? Well, our money doesn't last. We don't vibrate well. We feel the house is heavy. We feel like the ceiling is closing in on us. Let's throw all that away. Come on, let's sweep it out. Everything we're gonna do is with windows and doors open. After you've swept, mopped, dusted, and cleaned your house from back to front on a great Saturday morning, you're gonna light some incense. Here's the incense lit with matches, as always. And we're gonna need a small brush or a broom. I do ask that it be as natural as possible. I'm showing it here so you can see it. Well, it's a small brush. Whole salt, raw salt, coarse salt, whatever you call it. Just salt, salt, salt in big chunks like this. And vinegar, but apple cider vinegar. The one that smells strong, right? That's the one. What are we gonna do? We're going to imaginarily sweep our entire house, all of it, from the back to the front. What are we gonna need? I put this little plate here so I don't make a mess. You can use a small tray, a little plate, whatever you want. We're gonna do the following. We're gonna go ahead and put in this scouring pad right here. Now, as you can see, we're placing it carefully into position. Small hand broom. Man, the hand broom. You also add, there we're putting the coarse salt. I'll tell you about the incense in a bit. As much as you can put in, right? There it is, right? Okay. We're gonna add, you can do it in different ways. What I do is I put the hand broom in the vinegar for a good while the first time, so it gets charged, okay? So it gets wet. This is 100% natural. The hand broom is 100% natural. You're gonna let it come out. Just let it flow. There it is. There's the water right there. You shake it. And throughout the whole house, I repeat, from back to front, all of it. Small, medium, large, extra large, whatever size it is. Patios, that, everything. I'm gonna be shaking it, okay? I'm saying like this, everything. You wanna, all the negative energies. Imagine that you're sweeping. All the negative energies leave my house. When you're doing this, open doors and windows so the mess can get out. You take it out, you go all over, sweeping. Especially the corners. Remember, in the corners, we shouldn't have anything in the corners so the energy can flow well. We do it all. All. We finish. It's that simple. I just rinse my hand broom. Well, the vinegar, you're gonna end up using it all because, it's for the whole house, regardless of the size. You can also do it if you have a front yard, a backyard. The point is that it's the whole house. Saturday morning, do it every Saturday. Hand broom, vinegar, coarse salt, and problem solved. There it goes over here. here comes the good part. Now, when I'm done, what's next? In the center of the house, look for where the center of the house is. You're gonna light your incense. Besides filling the house with aromas and such, it's a mixture we're making so that in this way, the air, which is the element of incense, the air cleans all the environments. If you like, you can put several in different zones of your house, in different areas, but one is enough in what would be the center of your house. So we're gonna sweep away the problems, the conflicts, and so on, so that everything flows in perfect harmony.